gonna go on a test drive. We have 83,000 miles on the odometer. If you see any flickering on the screens, buttons, etc., that's just in the camera, not in person. Non-smoker. Alignment feels good. Steering wheel is nice and straight. Doesn't have any shakes or shimmies to it. The AC works perfect. Now, when you watch the video coming up, I mentioned there is a bubble in that front left tire, and they have a brand new one on order. It just wasn't here in time to get installed, so we decided to just knock out this video instead, just get it online. But just know that front left tire that has the bubble will be replaced. Shifting nice and smooth. Like I said, alignment's good. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're just gonna assess the overall condition of the vehicle. First thing you'll notice right here, it does have a graze mark. Something did hit that. So you have gashes that went through the paint, rubbed all the paint off here, impacted there. Looks like it also barely got the headlight. Or that could be something else, but there are some marks there. Looking at the fender, rest of that looks good. Here on this wheel, overall in great condition. Power steps, you do have some scratches right here, and it looks like the cap, or maybe this light, it's kind of busted. It's missing all that trim here, and it gashed here, if you can see that. Cracked lens. Yeah, some flaws there. Here on the door, you have a scratch. Typical swirls from just kind of everyday washing. Little chips and imperfections. Overall, the rest of that looks good. Here on this wheel, you do have some rash. Day code on the tire, 2024. A little bit of rash there, 22s. Looking at the front, a couple rock chips here and there. The headlight looks good. The rest of that looks nice. Have a little graze mark here. This does have a bubble in the tire, so it needs to be replaced. Overall, the rest of the wheel looks good. See, this mirror looks good. It's got the chrome piece here, so that's what's missing on the other side. A few little rock chips, small stuff. Little scuffs here on that plastic trim, very common. For the most part, the doors look good. Like I said, typical swirls from just everyday washing. That wheel looks good. Got a couple little chips there. Graze mark right here. Looks like something kind of grazed that as well. Gashed it up pretty good there. Little touch-up spots. The rest of that looks good. Here in the cargo area, you have this really heavy-duty liner right here. Very cool. Little scuffs and scratches on the plastics. And of course, it is power right here. And then on this side, you can see there's some gashes on that plastic as well. All right, looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker. You got the gray leather, big panoramic roof, massive center console here. Looking at the upper section, looks good. Memory seating. All of that looks nice. Overall, that trim looks good. Got the carpet mats. You do have some wear on the seat, some stains, little flaws. Don't see any rips. Looks good. Steering wheel, a little bit of wear on the edges. The rest of that looks good. Buttons are nice. $83,000 miles. Heated, cool seats. Those all work good. Navigation, ultimate audio. Huge console there. Got the built-in garage door opener. Then you got the floor mats here. A couple little scuffs. Now you do have a lot of wear on this seat. It has discolored just from over the years, so it's not as gray here. It has some dinginess to it, but overall seats still look good. That side looks nice. The little trim piece here, almost like a chrome strip, is missing right there. And this is kind of warped. The little cap there. The rest of that looks good. Upper side of the dash looks nice. Got a ton of storage down here. See, it's like a big pass-through. And then you have a little cut there, a little scratch. And here on this door panel, overall in great condition. Got the WeatherTech mats all the way around. And once again on the seat, typical wear, a little discoloration, not as gray, which is normal sitting and whatnot in here. The rest of that looks good. That looks nice. Got your third row. All right, here on this door panel, you see the stitching. It's kind of pulled out there. A little bit of dirt in that stitching. The rest of that looks good. Nice and clean. You're gonna see the wear on the seat belts. And the same on the seats here. Looks like a car seat might have been on here or something like that.